What's going on, guys? It's Kevin with Coffee. Today's a big day. We have something very exciting to share with you. I could tell you about what's going to happen here, but instead, I'm just going to show you. It's kind of heavy. We're going to be unboxing the Spinn machine. So we've actually been working with Spinn for a number of years now, and you can find a lot of our coffee offerings on their marketplace within their app, which is really cool. It's a pretty convenient device. It's got a 2-in-1 kind of feature where it grinds fresh, and there's a number of different options for brewing methods you can choose from. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Did you see that? Don't ever cut towards yourself like I just did. Really tape this thing up. I might actually put this on the floor for this. Ooh. Oh. So right after that, the packaging is pretty cool. Look at that. Very cool and aesthetic. Artwork's awesome too. But the box is cool. Let's see what's inside this box now. It's like Velcro to the top. Let me try to put it this way. Okay, so apparently it's the other way. Okay, so, whoa. Oh, that side doesn't collapse. So it just kind of like goes out from the top here, I guess. So at the top you have it looks like the manual, the instruction manual or something like that. Yeah, so you have all your booklets here. We're gonna need those later when we try and use it, because we're not just unboxing it, we're actually gonna brew some of our coffee on it, because we actually never, even though we're on the Marketplace app, we've never had our own coffee on the Spinn machine before. So that's gonna be fun to see what it tastes like. If I can get it out of here. Oh wait, hold on, I can take the top parts out first. Yeah, so here we have so here we have the drip tray and the water filter, which these, from my own research, I know these have to be replaced every 2 or 3 months. So, the power cable, alright, now let's try and slide this thing out of here. There we go. Okay, so now this part does drop down. Nice. I did want the whole thing collapse. Nice. Not sure which part to take out next. I guess I'll just try and put the whole thing out here. Alright, I think I might actually need some help with this, so. Max, could you come give me a hand real quick, please? Mm-hmm. Do you just want to like hold it down? Boom, okay, cool. There it is. Hey, could you take the box, dude, please? What would I do without Max, honestly?
I'm struggling here.
Alright, here it is. So this is the grand reveal right here. Okay. And just rip it. Alright. Looks like the water tray kind of came out here. Max, could you please help me again?
Same thing?
Yep, just take off the bottom. Awesome, thank you. What a great guy. So here it is. This is part of the Spinn machine. I'm gonna go ahead and put the drip tray in now here. Whoa, this looks fancy. Everything is just like wrapped up. Cool. Alright. Assuming this goes right here. Whoa, it's like yeah, the magnets in it, that feels really cool. Nice. I believe so. Okay, so the top here, yeah, so this is where all the beans are gonna go. So here is the Spinn water filter. And it should just slide in right here. Let me make sure first. So this is cool. I just noticed this on the top. They have a QR code, but it's a little coffee mug. All right, so we're gonna go rinse this water tank. Also, it comes out. I'm not sure if I mentioned that or not. So it not only does it kind of lean back, but it also entirely pops out, which is pretty cool. All right, so we got everything we need here to get this machine up and running. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up to our fill line.
See why?
Big poster
But
board.
white. It'd have to be really
Yeah.
white.
Or just we could probably rent a big drum.
This is why you should take the thing off of the device to fill it. And the water came out of this a lot faster than I thought it was going to, so. I'm not gonna.
So I'm just gonna say,
All right, now that we have our water tank filled, throw it back on the device. Yeah. And just double check, make sure. Cool. Next, we gotta fill the beans in. So we're gonna use our Enchanted Roast, which is a dark roast, one of our more popular roasts. So let's go ahead and throw these beans in. So what's cool about the Spinn is it also comes with the app. As mentioned earlier, they have a marketplace where you can buy different specialty coffees. Alma is on the app, which is really cool. You're also gonna need it to brew the coffee and select what kind of brew you wanna do. All right, ready? All right, so we have our water, we have our beans, we got our cup. Let's brew some coffee.
Perfect, so Kevin, you did a great job. The machine looks great. There's beans, there's water, it's turned on. So let's set up the app.
Cool.
It's looking for device via Bluetooth. So Kevin, now that we have the coffee set up on here, I think we're ready to go, right?
I think so,
What should
yeah.
we make? A hot coffee?
Let's do a hot coffee.
Let's do it.
Well, we have a few different options here, so which kind of
Yeah.
hot coffee?
I'm just gonna go with coffee.
Okay, yeah.
Let's do a classic
classic cup of coffee.
And okay, so there's the option to make the drink or customize the drink.
Oh, okay.
Wow, okay, so you can put how many grams you want in.
That's cool.
But, you know, I just want to make it the way it's standard. Before we go in and calibrate all our roasts,
Okay.
here we
let's
go,
do
it's
something.
brewing. So the app is telling you it's pre-flushing.
That is one thing I read too, is that the app kind of walks you through exactly what it's doing.
That's cool, so that's really cool. So it's
Here's
still
some noise.
saying, I'm going to put the phone right here.
Whoa.
I'm starting to smell the coffee
Yeah.
now, so that's exciting.
Is it grinding?
I don't think so. I don't
Not
think
yet,
It's
right?
probably warming up the water.
Okay. I was about to say, because that's one quiet grind.
Right.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. Whoa.
And there it is,
Whoa.
coffee.
Nice.
That's super cool because you can
Yeah.
instantly smell the aromatics from the ground coffee.
And it is so cool that it is basically an instant coffee machine, but it's freshly ground,
Yes.
which is really
Oh,
really
yeah.
cool.
You can even see like that nice foam that's
Mhm.
creating at the top
Oh
there.
yeah, it looks great.
Yeah. Perfect. And now it's cleaning. So that's really cool. It's going to clean after itself. And instant coffee's ready. Alrighty guys, so that is us unboxing the Spinn machine. And what do you think,
Yeah.
Kevin?
I love it. I think it's great. It's
I
very
think
smooth.
so too, yeah. It's missing a little bit of the sweetness that I would want in it, so we're excited to, over the next few weeks, really dial in all of our roasts so that way you guys can have our recipes the way we want to enjoy them on the Spinn machine right at home.
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.